is what I'm using for this hair. This is the Expression Springy Afro Twist in 30 inches. They have this in different lengths. They have the 24, 16, 12 inches, but this is the longest one I have seen so far. So I'm using the 30 inches, and the color is 2T1B/30. Okay, I'm going to leave it on the screen so you guys can see. The another thing I'm also using is my Shine and Jam gel. This is my go-to every time for my protective hairstyles, and also this extra olive oil, okay, for my roots. So far I've done the back of my hair, and I'm going to show you guys what I have done so far. So this is it. This is the back of my hair, okay, and this is what I got with less than one pack. Okay, I still have some left from that one pack. I'm going to go ahead now and show you guys how I have been doing my twist. I have my hair sectioned out. Okay, this is the hair I'm going to be working with now. So I'm going to grab a piece of that hair, like the Afro twist hair, and I'm going to split it into two. So we're using half of each piece, okay, for one twist. This is half of it. We're starting off like I'm doing a 3-strand braid, okay. So this is going to look like the 2 piece of hair, and my natural hair is going to be the 3rd piece for this 3-strand braid, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, like, my hair, my natural hair is the 3rd piece, and this is the 2 other piece of hair that I'm using to do my 3-strand braid. So starting off, okay, I'm going to go ahead and braid a couple of times, maybe like 6-7 times. I don't really count. Just braid down. I do this just to make sure that the twist is very secure, okay. And now I'm going to go ahead, like when I have my natural hair right in the middle, so you guys can see my natural hair is now in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and start twisting, okay. So you guys can see my natural hair is in the middle, right? So I'm going to separate my natural hair into 2, adding each piece to the twist hair, okay. So this side goes to this twist hair, and the other second piece goes to this other twist hair. And now I'm going to start twisting. And you guys can see the root of my hair is very, very loose. It's not tight at all, okay. So I'm not putting any tension on my hair at all. So I'm going to start twisting. I like to hide my natural hair inside the twisting hair, okay, because I don't want my natural hair sticking out from the twist. And I'm going to also do this side, and then go ahead and just twist, 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 twist. So I'm going to show this again and again and again so you guys can understand it, okay. I'm going to grab the Shine and Jam gel and apply it on my natural hair. I'm also going to apply some to the tip, okay. And I'm going to grab the other piece, like the other half of the twisting hair, and we start out like we're making a 3-strand braid, okay. So this is it. My natural hair is the 3rd piece, and the twist hair is the 2 piece of hair, okay. So start braiding. So braid a couple of times, and when my natural hair is in the middle, I'm going to turn it this way and start twisting, okay. So split the natural hair into 2. I'll be adding more Shine and Jam gel here, okay, just to slick my natural hair down very well. And I'll add some on this other strand too. And I'm going to start twisting. So when I'm twisting, I'm going to my left. So this is my right hand, okay. I'm literally twisting with my right hand, and I'm going from my right to my left. So I'm taking the piece of hair from my right to my left, pretty much like this, okay. This is how I'm going. Piece of hair from my right to my left, okay. Or you can say like from my side to my face, like, you know, that's how I twist, okay. And I don't have to like twist each strand separately. You know, there's some kind of twist you want to do, like the rope or Senegalese twist. You have to like twist individual twisting hair this way, like each side this way, before you put it together. But you don't have to do that with springy twist, okay? You don't have to kind of twist the hair. No, you don't have to do that. So just leave the head where it is and just keep twisting, like putting it together from my right to my left, okay? That's exactly what I'm doing. This is quite easy if you get a hang of it. By the time you do like the first, second, third twist, you get a hang of it and you realize that it's quite easy, okay? So twist, twist, twist. And when you get to the tip of the hair, I don't really do anything special to the tip of the hair, okay? I just twist, that's it. You don't have to bun it or anything to hold it. The hair holds by itself. Because of the texture of the twist hair, it kind of holds by itself. It doesn't unravel, okay? So I'm going to show you guys. I just twist it as normal. And that's it. You guys can see that's the tip. It doesn't unravel. And this is the whole hair, okay? So guys, we're starting off again like 3-strand braids, okay? And remember, we're using only half piece of the twist hair, not one. We're using half. And we're gonna start braiding first. Braid like 5, 6, 7 times, okay? And now we're gonna start twisting. So I have my natural hair right here in the middle. I'm going to separate it into 2. And then start twisting. If you feel like the hair is too rough, you can grab your shine and jam gel just to smoothen it out, okay? And just continue twisting. Just go ahead and twist, twist, twist. No special technique. Remember not to like kind of twist the individual like piece of hair before twisting. Don't do that, okay? Just let it be the way it is. Just straight this way and just twist, okay? So I'm going to show you all the direction I twist to now that I'm twisting the left side of my face. When I was on my right, I was using my right hand and I was twisting from my back to my left, and I'm going to be going same direction pretty much. So when I was twisting this side, I was going from here down here, and that's the same direction I'm going to be going. So literally from here down here, okay? So it's still the same direction, okay? So now on my left side, I'm going from my face to the back, which is what I'm doing here. You guys can see. So pretty much from my face to the back, from my face to the back, or from my right to the left. So I just wanted to show you guys, okay, when you're twisting on the left side, because sometimes when you're new to twisting, it can get a bit like confusing, okay? So yeah, when I'm doing my left side, I'm pretty much going same direction, which is from my right to the left. So with my right hand, I'm holding the hair and I'm going from my right and I'm taking it to the left, okay? Right, left, right to the left. That's same thing, pretty much same thing, okay?